Hi. All right, I just sent you an email with a link to a practice test. And whenever you click the link, it will take you to this page. You want to make sure that it says guest user on and guest session on. These should both be on whenever you log in or when you click the link. So just don't mess with anything there. And you want to press sign in. All right, once you press sign in, right here you want to select that you are grade 6. Okay, you want to click this first one, 2022 STAR Redesign Practice Tests. Okay, you want to click that. Now, here you can take a reading practice test. Okay, no one in our class is blind and uses Braille, so if you want to do your reading test, you can click that right here. Or if math, okay, this is your math test. So I'm going to click that one because this is math class. All right. No one will use a calculator. If you have an accommodation for text to speech, you can click that on. No one has that. If you have content and language supports in your accommodations as part of your IEP, you can turn that on. Okay. If you want a large mouse pointer, okay, this is where you can do this, and you'll be able to do this on the STAR test as well. Okay, so you want a large red pointer, boom, there it is. Okay, if you want the color to be black and white, or if you want to pick a different color. Now my background is light yellow. Now it's light blue. Okay, pick whichever color you want. Once you have made sure that this matches what's your accommodations in your IEP, just hit select. Okay, click this, click the speaker button.
This text is being read loud.
Okay, if you can hear that whenever you click the speaker button, then you want to click I heard the voice. Again, you're going to have to do all of this on your STAR test, so this is all a good practice. Okay, click the speaker, and then you click I heard the voice. This is where you can view your settings. Okay, so like how I have my large red pointer, you can view your settings here. Okay, if I want to change it to large green, that's where you do that. Okay, test settings. Whenever you log in on STAR Day, it's going to walk you through just like this. So this is, make sure you know where test settings are if you want to change your pointer and the color of your background. Then you're going to click Begin Test Now. Okay, and then you will go through.
Which expression is equivalent to 5x minus 3? Option A, 5x minus 3. Option B, 2x. Option C, x minus 15. Option D, 5x minus 3, 5.
Okay, so this is where you're going to go in and you're going to take your test. Okay, you're going to pick your answer, and after you pick your answer, you're going to come up here and press the next button. At the very end, you'll hit save and end test. All right, so this is a great practice for your STAR coming up, and you can go ahead and do this for English as well. Let me know if you have questions.